That right there is the new 2019 Jaguar F-Pace SVR. Now those three letters mean this is a high-performance version of the F-Pace SUV, and to that end, it has a supercharged 5-liter V8 with 550 horsepower. Now that power goes to an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, and it's good enough, Jaguar says, to make a 0 to 60 time of 4.1 seconds and a top speed of 176 miles an hour. Now it's also got the tires and brakes and wheels and suspension to deal with all that stuff. The wheels themselves start at 21 inches in diameter but can go up to 22s. They're forged though, so they should be lighter than traditional cast wheels. The brakes are massive, 15.5 inches front and rear, and the interior gets bucket-like thin seats that sort of evoke the performance intentions of the vehicle. Interestingly too, Jaguar has decided to replace the rotary style shifter with a traditional lever style shifter that you see in the F-Type. And I think a lot of the inspiration from this vehicle comes from that car. Just take a look at the back where you see 4 exhaust tips. This F-Pace SVR promises a lot of performance, and it will be at dealerships this summer with a price tag around $80,000. We're looking forward to testing it. For more information about the Jaguar F-Pace SVR, be sure to visit Edmunds.com. And for more videos like this, please subscribe.